Yes, good morning, everyone. Good evening. Today is Tuesday, and it's evening. So, Bitcoin guys is already found. I can call bottom, which is everything which is bad is already passed on Bitcoin. Which you see the successful touches, and for me, I'm waiting Bitcoin to hit from right now to 20th. Remember, today is 16th, right? Today is 16th, and we have 4 days, even less than 3 days to 20th. And you see over here right now, PTC, we have this resistance, which we even more than that. It's not that. It's more than that. When you zoom out on PTC for the 5 minutes, you see Bitcoin right here right now. You see it looks like it's ready to push more. Yeah, Bitcoins look like it's ready to push all the way to uh, 71. So I'm waiting Bitcoin to touch 71 to 71 to 80,000. And which coin guys we are going to monitor when Bitcoin running up. So I'm going to show you the coins that we need to buy right now when Bitcoin running up, and which coin Big Whales is liking. So we know this the Sabbath we came around here, and this the resistance that I'm watching right now, which is around 65 here, which will be the short term, which is next few hours, it will be around 65, 65, 700. We have also another one you see, which is we touches and we fail, which is around 66, 900. We have 68 here, 200, 70, 70, 300, 73, and where the highest this if this Bitcoin will run after this crash, if we go to break around 72, 700. So this is the highest Bitcoin can reach, which will be 100 and 2,000, where we can see Bitcoin if we can push all. Remember, guys, we have some sequence, but what I'm believing Bitcoin right now, we can have something like a short squeeze. Yes, if you see Bitcoin, guys, pushing over here on 3 days, because already Bitcoin, when you see on RSI, it reached oversold. Let me check if I'm correct. I think Bitcoin on the daily candlesticks and the charts is looks like Bitcoin went all the way. So right now you see Bitcoin over here. People are buying right now. And remember, guys, if this one will cross right now, which is in next when I see my charts over here, we have like a 26 minutes or a 24. We are going to this one. Remember, is oversold, guys, and everything now is getting from oversold, and now it's getting interest. So why I'm saying so? When you see my charts over here, we saw when Bitcoin dipped like this one. You see over here, when Bitcoin come oversold like here, Bitcoin was trading around 60. He pushed all the way Bitcoin to 72 500, and the same thing if we will go to push from the same price, which is Bitcoin, you are going to push, and this is going to be short squeeze because Bitcoin is already, I've already said, they tell you, Bitcoin right now is not overbought. Yeah, Bitcoin is not overbought yet right now. We have already came all the way from that rest. So on RSI right now, we see Bitcoin is around 43 on RSI, and this is chart is looking all the same on Bitcoin. So which coins, guys, we need to go to buy right now? So the Bitcoin, the coins that I'm looking very, it's look not that I'm not foolish, but it looks very strong. Is airdrome, airdrome finance. So when you see airdrome finance, we saw this one, guys. We saw yesterday came every time. Remember this one, guys, I didn't put because I was thinking it's a joke. Most coin which I was looking is already. I saw when they listed on Coinbase, it came around less than 0.5, and I was thinking this thing is already push more. But if you want to see a coin, guys, you see the community. When you see the community, this coin it didn't drop. It just keeping high. So after it came 130, it pushed all the way to $2 and at 7, and then we saw this Bitcoin crashing. It didn't change anything. It came like negative 15%, and then it pushed back. Only today I saw, yesterday and today, these only two candlestick, and this when I was using my, remember guys, when you use on when you check on RSI here, we have this 67 on RSI, and another thing which is, you see already this one coming down, so it's going to bounce us around this 43 in case if Bitcoin is going to run up. And this video will be long because I want to talk the most of the coins. I want to do one video which is will be long. And let me see some of my the charts that I like to use is like this one. When you see on the daily chart, this coin yesterday or 2 days ago, it came here. It started around 240. It came down here. It opened, and then you see we are keeping high. We are going to monitor if it's going, because today morning it was 1.5 or 6, let's say 60, and it's already pushing. When the market's going to open, we are going to, obviously we'll close red today, and later we are going to open with green airdrome. And then number two is on the finance. Remember this one, all of them guys is trading on the Coinbase. And when you see on the on on the also on the finance, it's look the same thing. When you check on the finance, it didn't crash. This is the two coins, uh, uh Edron, so E AERO, which is a strong coins right now, and Ondo. These are the strongest coins, which is going to be still have room to go up, because you can see the people who are holding right now. It didn't crash. And another coin, if it will go to skyrocket, we have this STX. STX or stuck. I bought this one, but STX it crashed. You see the charts also here, because it's already ran up up there, but also doesn't have more community. Another coin that I'm watching very closely. I'm going to list the coins, guys. Remember, I was talking. Nowadays, I was keeping quiet because most of them it did crash like this one. This one also is already losing. It called synthetic. And another one, I'm going to talk about random coins, which is when you talk about media. Remember, media guys starting $3 down there. You see, this is always, you see is we came from $3 media, we ran all the way to 22. A crash pack consolidating between uptrend. Remember, it's keeping uptrend. That's the one of thing. And this coin is going to more than 200. It pumped it to 26. A crash pack to 12. 12 went to 26, 12, 25, 16 or 15, 36, came back here, and then he pushed back to 35. Right now, it deep. So this is what the deep, guys. You need to take this opportunity of this deep. You see this deep right now is trading 19. You see, it's just keeping. It's not crashing. It's just like it's still on uptrend. Don't worry. You see, like we saw this leg before. We have leg like this here. We have this leg over here on media. Uh, Another one would coin, which is going to is called fellow. This one, the fellow finance or Fedron. This one, this you see what happened when, I don't know which they listed somewhere. It crashed all the way from 0.07. It came to 0.04, And what's happened? You see, we are talking. It take a banana shape. You see, this one take banana shape, and right now we are going to talk around 18 cents. We have this dip, but guys, remember I'm giving you things going to be very important. Right now, it's not like you can buy right now and then it has some resistance because it's already. You, you see, this is the one of the charts. Whenever stock is going to be next resistance. Even though when you talk about PTC it still have that resistance, and PTC it has that resistance. If Bitcoin will push today, like I was saying, it's going all the way to 69. Find the resistance here, and then when tomorrow in the next 24 hours, it's going to open up here and pushing. If it's going to be run like I was thinking about it. Another coin which is I don't know you don't most of you doesn't like is called Dogecoin. Dogecoin is holding not that strong, but this chart guys I don't like for Dogecoin. You see this one? This is candlestick here for Dogecoin. I don't like that candlestick. Is not like this one. This one is was indicated to reversal, but this is indicating on the Doge. Uh, things not good. Maybe right. Maybe we'll push this one in next in the next 9 minutes to all the way. So another one, Ponga guys is so weak. It's so weak in all. Uh, this one is one of the weakest coin that I didn't have not had. It's already from 50 cents to 15. It's already down. You can say 75%, or you can call 300%, because from Punk is already weak. This one you call like even you call that is like 45 to 14 cents, which or how much? Yeah, around 14 cents. 14 cents. Remember, if it was 15 cents to 45, that's 3x, right? It's already lost to more than 300% if it was going up. Maybe it's already going back to bottom, which is man, I don't know. I put this one and it was wrong financial advice for me, and I didn't like it. And I put it with it. In fact, it's the one of the coin that I was thinking is going to be, because it was trading under Solana. It didn't perform. And guys, thank you so much. And maybe I will talk about Shiba later. I have a lot of things going on, but Shiba is holding strong from around 45 cents to 22. Is more stronger than the uh, Punk. I don't know, guys. Like those people who hold Punk, is most of them sold Punk. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.